Hey everybody, it's Roger with Roger's Reviews, and got a box today. Had a couple earlier, but I just got home, it's late. This one was locked in the lockbox, so that's why I didn't see it earlier, I guess. And haha. This is the new Selfie stick. It is the Selfie stick L02 100 centimeter something you want. It's supposed to have wireless remote with it. So I use my other Selfie stick every day, and I mainly just use it to as a tripod. So I wanted something that I could carry around and also use as a tripod. So here it is, this little guy here, and then it has the button here to start and stop, and then the bottom, I believe, is a tripod. So it's a selfie stick, a tripod, and so that's pretty cool. Turn it down so you guys can see. Check that out, isn't that pretty cool? So, selfie stick, it goes out pretty far. So it's metal too, so it's pretty durable. I think it goes out one more, no. That's it. So it's about yay long. About average for, I guess, a selfie stick. But what I like about it, it's so compact. Look how small that is. And it has a built-in tripod. So you got everything right in your pocket. And then you also have this little, that little button, I believe, comes off. So you can actually push it out, and then there's your remote to turn your, I guess you can turn your camera on or off, or for snapshots. So it's wireless. I don't know if you can take this apart and put batteries in it or what, but it must, yeah, it slides apart somehow. So I don't know if I'll have to read up on that, but definitely I'm sure a watch battery in there. But not cool. I mean, I think it was like, what was it? It's only like $10.99. $10.99 for a little selfie stick that folds up and has a wireless remote on it. So you go on Amazon and you can order, let's see, selfie stick, tripod, extension, Bluetooth selfie stick with wireless remote, compatible with iPhone or 11 Pro, X8, 8P, 7P, wireless accessory, X002488H7JT. So I'm going to start putting these in the old Cliff Notes there. Hopefully you guys can read that. So for 10 bucks, man, a little over 10 bucks, you can get a decent little selfie stick. And oh, it has a little couple accessories too that came in here, whatever those are for. Not sure. And I guess this turns as well. I don't know if you push on that or what, but somehow that turns. And then of course this folds down to hold your camera, and that folds up. I can get my fat fingers in there. Might have to cheat. That seems like that would be the top though. I don't want to break it. Doesn't seem like that would, I don't know. I'll figure it out, but I'm pretty sure that there he goes. It spins around. I just didn't want to break it. So that stretches out on the top. And then when you put it away, I guess you turn it back around maybe. I don't know if it matters or not. Seems like it's in the middle. So I just got to read these instructions and figure out what those extra pieces are for, or if they're replacement pieces or what. But there's your instructions. Selfie stick. One's in Asian and one's in English. So there you go. That's all I have to say. And hopefully if you guys need one of these, this will give you a little bit more information, help you make a better buying decision. All right, thanks a lot. I'm gonna put my phone in here, hook it up to Bluetooth, and see if I can get it to work, and maybe do another review. Take care. Have a great day.